directly facing the face. Let me open this story with greetings to you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Cornellya Permata, class 11 science program from senior high school Raudlatul Muta'allimin LAMONGAN. I will tell about why Lamongan people cannot marry KEDIRI people. It's what's a minute. Going to the market to buy a book. Buying a book at a thrift shop. I'm sure to offer knowledge. Hopefully it's useful. In a science time, it is said that the dog of KEDIRI had two twins daughters, named Dewi Andansari and Dewi Andanwati. The dog of KEDIRI plans to marry off his two daughters with the twin son from the dog of Lamongan, named Panjilaras and Panjilias. Besi dan folklore, the prohibition of Lamongan people from marrying KEDIRI people stems from the story of the marriage Lamongan son with KEDIRI's daughter. Over the power of Majapahit with the support of the Dam of Lamongan, the Dam of KEDIRI felt that he was a legitimate descendant of King Lomba. So he wanted to take over to power of Majapahit. Because Majapahit was still too strong for KEDIRI. KEDIRI also wanted to get support from the people of Lamongan, Tuban, Gresik, and Surabaya. Moreover, in that area many adhere to Islam. The Dam of KEDIRI received news that the regions of Lamongan had two twin sons named Panjilaras and Panjilias. The Dam of KEDIRI intended to marry off his two twin daughters with the twin son from the Dam of Lamongan regions. Now the wedding plan lived in political interest. Adipati Lamongan even decided whether to exit or reject it. However, before he breathed his last, the